Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And like that. I guess it's called Hard Chill, so I guess this has a new name. This used to be called Brick's Bar. Always cool to see all the cool Portuguese looking stuff. Okay, so maybe you can see that street sign right there. It says Rua das Sanches de Miranda. You kind of got some really cool looking stuff like that. And this street's going to go directly down this way. That's kind of a cool barbershop stuff right there too. The dog over there. And so we're going to walk directly towards that blue building and also along these yellow buildings. And then we're also going to start and kind of show you this little space, including this little circular space over there. So so stay tuned. I'm just gonna come over here real quick. Brick's Coffee. So actually I think that used to be a bar, but now it's a coffee shop. So anyways, we're gonna be walking down that street and I'm gonna kind of show off this little space before we even go down it. So stay tuned, that's gonna be our target street right between these two buildings. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so that's going to be our focus down that way. Before we go down, just kind of want to show off how interesting this little area is. Let me just kind of go across a little bit. So that actually goes all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins, fortress, Monte Fortress up there. There's some scaffolding right there. Pretty cool design. This is called Artillery Street. It goes up to where all the cannons are at on Mount Fortress. So we're going to be going down. Let me see if I can get across. So that's going to be our focus street right over there. Before we go down, it's going to be our space. Then down here you can see these other kind of cool spots everywhere. So this whole space is a little plaza. And I think that place is Brick's Coffee right there. But it used to be a Brick's Bar that was right down there. Let me just walk it real quick. So we're still gonna get back to our target street in a moment. But I like to give some context to stuff. So we kind of got all this cool shops in here. Then you have these other little spaces like that and like that. I guess it's called Hard Chill, so I guess this has a new name. This used to be called Brick's Bar. So we're gonna go back up. So we're gonna be walking along the side of this in a moment. So we're gonna go down Sanches Miranda Street, I believe is the name. So this is kind of in this area called, I think it's called São Lázaro. Kyungwoo Hospital is not too far away, and neither is St. Paul's Church. So actually that street name is actually called Calçada Central de Lázaro, so that's actually the Lázaro district. And we're gonna walk into our target street. Some kind of cool designs. So I'm just gonna do like this. See all those cool balconies everywhere. It's got like amazing balconies. They did something right when they did this street. This whole area, this Sala Zero area. I kind of wanted to see something real quick. There's like a little bit of a business right on those windows right there. So I think they sell soft drinks and such. So right here looks like they got a little shop. And I think you just go to the window. But it's closed at the moment. And then we're gonna walk by this. Always cool to see all the cool Portuguese looking stuff. So there's more of it. Balcony as well. They actually have like art exhibitions in there too. So they'll have a art exhibition and some other kind of interesting stuff. And I think this is this one, patrimonial cultural. So we're gonna see this again in a moment. More cool balconies. Then we have this one. This is also down to this Lazaro area. That street's called Casada de Igreja, the Church of St. Lazarus Church, which is down that way. And we're going to Kyungwoo Hospital is down that way, so if you can hear the ambulance in the distance, it's related to that hospital down there. Okay. An umbrella around the tree. Actually, this one will have a lot of art stuff. And that yellow building is Albuquerque, that bright yellow one on the other side. That one is a really good building to I filmed in there many times, and I'm tempted to go down there right now again. And then this one goes into all the art stuff. So different artists, exhibitions, Fantasia, a creative. I'm also tempted to go in there. I did go in there before and filmed. But what I really want to do is stay faithful to my street, so kind of a cool looking car. Yeah, you can actually walk out on that balcony. That's open to the public. Okay, we'll go in. This is this whole area. I'm gonna say faithful to our street. Huh, that place over there is called Fantasia as well. That coffee shop. Okay, so we're gonna come out to the end of our street. Piano. And I believe our street's gonna end in that spot. So I think this is the end of the street. Just take a look real quick. So I don't know the name of that street. We're gonna get over there as well, so we'll take a look. So that's what I definitely know is our street right there. That's our street sign. Rua de Sanches de Miranda. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna I can't go across. I just want to run across that blue building and just see if it's still our target street or not. Okay. So I think this is going to be the end of our street. Some nice balconies. So if I can, I just wanted to see if our street continues on that way or not. Kind of a cool building though. So there's a crosswalk right there, so we'll have to take the crosswalk. So we'll go across. We're going to come back over here, and now you can see our target street a little bit better because it's all the way down that way. And I just want to see if this is still a Sanches Miranda street or not. I mean, this is going to Kyungwoo. So this actually says Jorge Alvarez Street. So actually this is a whole different street right there. I can see the street sign now. So we're gonna end our street, which was this one over here. Okay. Hope you liked it. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.